Hello friends, in information technology, our chapter is Basics of Information Technology and our today's topic is IT enabled services. So let's see what is IT enabled services. IT enabled services, we will see the meaning of what is IT enabled services first. IT enabled services, also called as web enabled services or remote services or teleworking, covers the entire amount of operations which exploit the information technology for improving efficiency of an organization. If there is a company and they want to perform their operations, and if they are using information technology, if they are using teleworking, if they are using internet, then they are using IT enabled service. What is IT? That is information technology they use for improving the performance or efficiency of their organization. How they may be use the IT information technology to improve their relationship with the customers. We all know there are many call centers. When we get the many calls from the call centers, like we are having such offers and they are providing us such offers, like they are providing a plans for them. If there is an insurance company and they have any new plans, then they call us, they collect our data and they call us and they tell their plans, then their new plans to us, and if we are agree, then that is the benefit to them from their services. Likewise, the call centers uh, helps them. Or if I'm using any product, if suppose I'm using any mobile and I'm having any trouble in my mobile, then the companies which produces the mobile, they are having their service centers or their we may say their helplines to help them. If I'm having any trouble in my mobile, then I can call on that web helpline, and I can tell them my issues in the mobile and they will tell me the solution. That is also the IT enabled services. So that what it does, that improves the relationship amongst the customer and the organization. So they use IT service to improve their relationship with the customer. That is not only the use of IT enabled services, but that is the example, one of the example of IT enabled services. And they improve their database and improve look and feel, etc. The outcome of IT enabled services is in the two forms. The two forms are direct improved services and indirect benefits. What are the direct improved services? Whereas the direct benefits can be realized immediately and indirect benefits can occur over the period of time and can be harnessed very effectively if planned well up to front. If the organization planned it very carefully and if they are using IT enabled services, they can have some direct benefits and some indirect benefits. So if there are direct benefits of them, they will it is immediate, we may say, and indirect benefits will take some time, but they will affect very large amount. What are those? See which IT enabled services I am talking about. First, I have already told you about call centers. Electronic publishing. What is electronic publishing? You may see advertisement on the Facebook, on Instagrams, on your you may say on your every social media. You can see the advertisements. That is what electronic publishing. So they are using social media to advertise their products. Medical transcriptions. Medical transcription, IT also there in the medical transcriptions, or IT is also used in the medical transcription. How there are many electronic devices in the hospital which can be used to generate some data. If we can say there is machine in the hospital, and that records our heartbeats. So that is the use of IT in the medical transcription. Data centers will collect large amount of data, that the data that is useful for organizations, and organizations buy that data from the data centers in the large amount to enhance their activities. GIS mapping, that is geographical information information system. We use GPS system, right? It is similar like that. What it does, we use Google Maps, right, to travel. When we are traveling in unknown places, then we use Google map to track them. So that is also the IT enabled service. What is ERP? That is enterprise resource planning. ERP is the management point. What is management point? That organization have some frameworks to be working, and ERP follow that framework to enhance their day-to-day operations. That is enterprise resource planning. So they plan about everything, their product, their employees, everything, their machineries, that will be in the ERP. Knowledge management and achieving. Knowledge management, so if you are accessing website, then you are getting some knowledge from it, and there is large amount of data on the internet nowadays, so you can get any knowledge that you want from the internet. So those are some IT enabled services I have told you. There are some direct benefits and there are some indirect benefits of the IT enabled services. So we will see which are the careers in IT in the next lecture. Thank you so much.